Hi Year 2, welcome to your phonics lesson. Today we're going to be focusing on the grapheme Y, saying the speech sound I, as in I fly in the sky. We'll start by revising our phase 5 phonics sounds, starting with A. Oi, I, E, A, E, I, O, oo or you, ow, ch, you or oo, or, o for blow in the snow, w, f, a. Well done, and I'm just going to go through some common exception words. So can you please shout these words out as you see them, starting with Sunday. Well done. So we are going to have a go at spelling two common exception words. Now, common exception words are also known as tricky words. They are tricky words because they don't follow the phonetic spelling rules that we learn in Year 1 and in Year 2. So first we're going to read the words together. So we're going to identify each phoneme. We'll start with the first one. D, or, door. And the second word, f, or, floor. Okay, so now we know our words. We've got door and floor. So now we're going to look closely at the tricky part of each word. So let's look at the first word. We know that the first letter makes the sound D, but what about the next letter or letters? So this is where some children might say, oh, I know that vowel digraph, it makes the sound for book. It makes the short vowel sound So they might try sound it out d, do. That doesn't make sense, does it? So they might try again. Oh, I know it makes the long vowel sound oo. D, do. Does that make sense? No, so it's not either of those, and that's what makes this trigraph very tricky, because we say this trigraph as or. Have a go at saying that now. Or. Let's sound it out. D, or, door. Let's look at the next word. F, floor, no. F, flu, no. So what is it? F, or, floor. So children need to remember that trigraph makes the or sound, and it's tricky because that or sound can be spelt in different ways, and we're going to have a look at those different ways on the next slide. So here we have our sound or, written in 4 different ways. Let's look at the first one. Or, floor. Or, for. P, or, pour me a drink. St, or, store. Do you notice that they all have the same sound, or, but they are written differently? That is why it is so important that we learn these tricky words. We remember how to spell them. Now we're going to have a go at writing these. Okay, so now I want you to have a go at writing these words, door. See if you can write it out 3 times. Next word, floor. See if you can write this out 3 times. And remember our tricky sound. We have 2 vowels, 2 O's followed by a consonant R. Well done. Today we are learning to read words containing the Y grapheme. So normally the Y grapheme makes the sound yeah, yeah, yeah. But today we are going to learn about the Y grapheme making the I sound. I, I, I. You have a go at making that sound. Okay, so now we are going to have a look at words that feature the I sound with the Y spelling. Have a go at reading these words. Well done. Can you think of any more? Let's have a go at reading more of these words. So I'm going to click on an insect and I'd like you to read the word. Spy. Spy. Well done. You do the rest. So now we are going to be text detectives. We're going to use our knowledge about the Y saying I words to find them on a sign. Are you ready? Why not come inside the door and see what you can spy? Some of us are on the ground and some are in the sky. Some of us are big and brave and others are quite shy. But try to spot us where you can, perhaps you'll learn to fly. Can you find the grapheme Y that makes the I sound? You can pause the video to find out, or if you're ready, we're going to check them. Well done, I spotted 6 Y graphemes that make the I sound. So what have we learned today, children? We have learnt the grapheme Y saying the speech sound I. I. Can you quickly tell me some words that you learnt that has the grapheme Y saying I? I can think of spy and fry. What can you think of? Maybe you could share them with someone from home. Well done, everybody.